In this video I'm going to show you how to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. So what you want to do is open up Instagram. From there you want to go to your profile, click on the hamburger menu and click on settings and privacy. Here you want to type in security, click on password and security, then it's going to load up and then see where you're logged in. So if you see something suspicious, you would simply just click on that and select devices to log out and you will be logged out. If you want to change your password, you can go to change password, click on the Instagram account, type in your current and new password. And if you want more protection, go to two-phase authenticator, select that Instagram and then add extra security to your account. So you can choose anything from authentication app, SMS or WhatsApp. And that's basically it. And one more thing you can see is login alerts. If this video helped you out, subscribe, like and leave a comment something like "this helped me out." But if you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I will help you.